opportunity really can be a trap sometimes, especially for people who have a lot of potential. Uh,
Yeah.
a lot of times there's opportunity just handed to you left, right, and center, and you need to
Yeah.
figure out which. I mean, you can only really go for so many opportunities, and so if you're kind of, even if they're good, like even if they're not just, even if it's not just a bad contract, even if it's like just
Right.
diverting your attention away from the goal, the plan, the path, then that's
Right.
not that's not what you need to be doing, you know. So it's just, it seems like you have a very direct and centered approach to like, this is what I'm doing and this is where I'm going, and if it fits into that, then good, and if it doesn't, then I need to kind of cut
Yeah.
it out. Mm.
Exactly. And I mean, there are so many times when I'd have a nice, cushy six-figure job handed to me on a silver platter, and I'm like, no, I want to go down this path that is extremely difficult, and I'm going to be broke, and then I'm going to get money, and then I'm going to be broke again. And every time I'm broke, I'm going to look back on this job that I gave up. Like, why didn't I take this? And I'm like, no, no, you can't think like that. You have a purpose. It's not about money. You won't be broke forever. You'll figure this out. Like, but I can do better than this. And it's this cycle that I think I've gotten over now. But yeah.